Welcome to a new era in endodontics. Woodpecker Endo GT series. Deliver a smart, safe, and precise experience. Precision begins with visibility. Its built-in LED delivers adjustable cold light with no shadows, keeping every movement precise and controlled. The Contra Angle features an ultra-slim 8mm design for easy access to posterior teeth. The 6-inch HD touchscreen is intuitive, with smooth mode switching. The Endo GT series features a comprehensive and customizable file library, allowing online updates. With the Build Your File feature, you can easily create your own file sequences, combining tip, taper, color identification, and other parameters to suit diverse clinical scenarios. Woodpecker has introduced an innovative system, TorqueSense, for real-time torque determination through dentin resistance analysis. The system intuitively learns the torque required to cut dentin and automatically sets the ideal torque for each portion of the canal. If apical pressure exceeds the torque threshold, the motor instantly switches to a safe reciprocation mode. This ensures sufficient tailored cutting power while protecting against torsional fatigue and file separation. The Clear Signal evaluates electronic signal strength in real time to ensure stable, reliable measurements and accurate foramen detection. A simple tap on the dial provides on-screen alerts and guidance, making every reading precise and controllable. Plus, the 3 apex locator sensitivity settings are a highlight, intelligently adapting to different canal conditions. The Endo GT series comes in 3 models: Endo GT Mini, ready-to-use experience; Endo GT, built-in apex locator in the handpiece, enables combined mode; Endo GT Pro, full-featured performance to meet the needs of beginners and experienced clinicians alike. Exclusive wireless foot pedal frees your hands for easy use. The Endo GT series delivers true cordless freedom, with the handpiece and base connected via Bluetooth technology. The magnetic docking easily connects the handpiece base to the main unit for convenient handling with wireless recharging. Endo GT series, leading the future of endodontics.